Hello, welcome guys. This is our project quiz game using Java. Uh, we are in second final semester project, so be with us. So next, please. Yeah. So we will introduce our project team member. The group, we are in a group 10. So introduce yourself, guys.
Hi, my name is YESIKO SINAGA, and my NPM number is 22 10 63 12 575.
And my name is Abdulelah Ahmed. My NBM number is 22 10 63 125 0106. And we have our friend is Mohammed FIKRI ALFADILLA. His NBM number is 22 1063 125 2090. The next, please. So about our project, this is a quiz game with a command line user interface that allow you to use to easily create, take, view, and list the quiz. Users may easily create quizzes, play quizzes, view the questions and answer, and list the quizzes that are available. The quiz game has a simple design with comment like create, take, view, list, and exist. The quiz games use interface systems that use the while loop, for loop, hash map class, and scanner class specified methods such as create quiz, take quiz, view quiz, and list quiz are used to handle the comments. Using the hash map class and array list, the quiz the questions and answers are inserted into the game. So next, please.
This branch implements a command line quiz game. It use uh, inline it use a while loop to repeatedly prompt the user for commands based on the user input. It performs actions such as creating quizzes, taking quizzes, querying quiz details, listing available quizzes, or exiting the game. It also uses if-else statement for inputting the instruction and break statement in case of entering the wrong command. Create quiz. If the user gives command to create quiz, the method is triggered. The code asks the user to input the name of the quiz, the number of questions to answer the questions, the number of choices, the choices, the index of the correct choices. Once the quiz is created, this method is played. Quiz created. Take quiz. This is the explanation of the code does. It prompts the user to enter the name of the quiz they want to take. Second, it reads the user's input and assign it into quiz name variable. It retrieves the quiz object associated with entered quiz method. If the quiz is not found, the quiz variable is null. It prints quiz not found and returns. If the quiz is found, it prints starting quiz followed by the quiz name. It calls the take quiz recursive method, passing the scanner object, the quiz object, and initial values of 0 for the question index and the score. In summary, this method prompts the user to answer the quiz by calling the method take quiz recursive to present the questions and record the user's answers. Take quiz scanner object used to read user input quiz. The quiz object representing the quiz being taken. question index, the index of the current question. The method starts with a base case. If the question index is greater than or equal to the total number of questions in the quiz get num questions, it means all questions have been asked. In this case, it prints the final scores and returns from the method. If the base case is not met, the method continues to the corresponding to the question index object. It prints the question text and its index. It iterates over the choices for the question and prints each choice along with its index. It prompts the user to enter the answer, iterate the user's answer, and subtract 1 from it to convert it to a zero-based index. If the user's answer matches the index of the correct choices for the questions, it prints correct and increments the score. If the user answer is incorrect, it prints the correct answer. The method calls itself recursively, incrementing the question index by 1 and passing the updated values of scanner, quiz, and score. The recursion continues until all questions have been asked, and then the method returns. In summary, take quiz recursive object from the users. The method recursively asks questions from the quiz object, prompts the user for answers, and updates the score accordingly. It uses recursion to iterate through the questions and manage the flow of the quiz. View quiz. When the user gives view command to the system, the view quiz method is triggered. Initially, the method asks the name of the quiz, and if it's found, it the quiz questions and its answers to the users. Otherwise, the not found message is displayed. This code defines a method called list quizzes. Here's an explanation about it. It starts by printing quizzes as a header to indicate the list of available quizzes. It uses for each loop to iterate over the keys of the quizzes map, which is represent the names of the quizzes. Inside the loop, it retrieves each quiz name and assigns it to the quiz name variable. It then prints a hyphen followed by the quiz name to display each quiz name in the list. In summary, distinguishing their names with a hyphen preceding each name. The given code defines a quiz class with 3 public methods: getName, addQuestions, and getQuestions integer. Questions. The code does the following. User input is used to populate quiz questions, control game elements, and generate random questions. Questions are added to the quiz using addQuestions. GetQuestions retrieves a specific question from the list. The code allows creating quiz, adding questions, and retrieving them by index. User input is involved. The class question. Here's an explanation. The class has 3 private instance variables. The first one is questions, represent the text of the question. It is of type string. Second one, choices, represent the list of choices for the question. Each choice is of type string. The choices are stored in list string. Third is correct choice. Represent the index of the correct choices in the choices list. It is of type integer. 2. The class has constructor that takes the questions, choices, and correct choice parameters and assigns them to the corresponding instance variables. 3. The class has three methods. Get questions, which is returns the text of the question. Get choices, return the list of choices for the question. Get correct choice returns the index of the correct choice. In summary, the question class provides functionality to create question with its text choices and correct choices index. It also provides method to retrieve the question text, choices, and the index of the correct choices. And the output will be presenting by Abdulelah Ahmed, please.
So this is our code that has been explained by a friend YESIKO, as you see it here. So that is the code. So right now we'll try to run it and explain it lively. So here we have the four comment create and take view list exists, which are five and have explained previously in the PowerPoint. So firstly, let's create the comment create. So it asks me to enter the name of the quiz. Let's make it ASAD algorithm and data structure UES final exam, right? This is the name of the quiz. So it asked me to enter the numbers of questions. For instance, let's make them 2 questions. So firstly, I will put the first question. Let's say which group presentation better? Which group presentation better? So enter the number of choices that I will make it for the question, which group presentation better. So let's make it them three choices. So it asks us to enter the choice one. Let's make it group number 4. Let's make it the second choice is group number, let's make it 7. And the choice third, let's make it group uh, group 10. So here it asks me to index the correct choice. So the correct choice, let's make it the choice number 3, which is group 10. So let's make it the third. So now, because I asked to create 2 questions, now he's asked me for the second question. So let's make the second question, where are you studying? Enter the number of choices. Let's make them 3 choices, right? Or 2 choices. So enter choice 1. Let's make it Unsika. And the choice number 2 is Ubabe. So now they want me to enter or index the correct choice for the second question. Let's make it Unsika because we are studying on Unsika. So here, right, it said that the comments say that quiz created with 2 questions, right? So here, because we have already tried create, now we will take the quiz. Let's try the take comment. So it asks us to enter the name of quiz, and we have already indexed the name of quiz, which is ASAD UES algorithm and data structure final exam. So now it asks me, it gives me the question that I have indexed and entered in first time. So the first question, which is which group presentation better? Group 4, group 7, group 10, and it wants me to enter the correct answer. So because I indexed the correct answer is the number 3, group 10. So let's try number 3. So the comment is stayed correct because I indexed to the correct answer. But the second question, which is where are you studying, Unsika or Ubabe? So right now, let's try the opposite, which is not correct. I index for Onsika, but right now I'll make it for Ubabe. So here it's a incorrect. The correct answer, it was the choice number one. So here the score, your score is 1 out of 2 because I have one mistake. So right now we have tried create, take, and right now we will see view. So basically, a view is let's say, let's index it as, for instance, the lecturer when he want to know the when he want to view the questions and the exams. So it won't here enter the name of the quiz, and I have indexed UA ASAD, which is algorithm data structure, UAS. So here it gives the questions that I have indexed, which are which group presentation better and where are you studying, and gives the correct answer for them. Let's make it, let's say it's like database. And because right now we made a view, let's try for list comment. So for list comments, it gives the quizzes that I have indexed, and because I entered one exams, and which is ASAD UAS, so the list is indexed here. So let's right now try the fifth comment, which is exit. So let's try it here. So until now, everything is gone because we tried to exit. So basically, guys, that was the output of our project. Thank you so much for listening for us. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any question, do not hesitate to include it in the comment section, the YouTube. And goodbye. Thank you.